Transwestern is a commercial real estate firm that has 34 offices across America, and in partnership with BNP Paribas Real Estate, 180 offices globally.
As a privately held company, we can take an entrepreneurial approach to the business, and that really allows us to focus entirely on our relationships.
We manage and lease over 300 million square feet across the country. In Minneapolis, here we now manage and lease over 10 million square feet. And that portfolio consists of suburban office, downtown office, and a multitude of industrial properties.
The Twin Cities market is a very strong market. We have more Fortune 500 companies per capita than anywhere in the United States.
We're experiencing record low unemployment at 3.8%, which is trending about 1% better than the national average. In addition, we've had strong job growth, 32,000 jobs this year. We see those numbers continuing through 17, which ought to support the robust economy that we're enjoying.
2016 can probably best be highlighted by a couple of speculative office developments that occurred. The Mall of America built about 250,000 square feet. United Health Group continues to expand their headquarters. Wells Fargo has relocated into 1.1 million square feet in downtown Minneapolis. We do feel very bullish about the real estate market here in the Twin Cities.
It was a great year for the Twin Cities industrial markets, and like the market, our team had a fantastic year.
What's important to us is to keep our clients apprised of how the changes in the market directly affect their business. We had over 3 million square feet of absorption. Vacancy rates have gone down. Lease rates have increased, and therefore the development and interest for development and investors in the Twin Cities will continue through 2017.
The biggest driver in the Twin Cities industrial market was speed. I mean, you saw a lot of logistics distribution companies see the Twin Cities as more of a hub.
Amazon spent $22 million on their investment in Shakopee. They invested 2.2 million square feet. We're very optimistic about 2017. We think the same criteria that worked for 2016 is going to translate into 2017.
In 2016, we shared phenomenal success with our clients in the suburban market.
There were a number of large deals done in multiple submarkets, such as Willis getting done at Normandale Lakes, Cray getting done at the Mall of America, and then a number of deals in the West market really made the suburban office market strong in 2016. Some of the challenges were the lack of space. There's not many options for a user looking for 40,000+ square feet.
Suburban buildings always lived on the motto of having amenities nearby. Now you have to have them in building. We're recommending to many of our owners to make sure that you are providing an urban environment in the suburban areas.
Suburban tenants are looking for the cool space, but in actuality, they want practical space at a cost-effective rate. Some of the challenges for a new development in 2017 as developers and owners are struggling to build these buildings speculatively because the rising costs of construction's gone up 10 to 15% each year, and the cost of capital and the availability of capital out there has been challenged.
The vibrancy of the Twin Cities market provides the perfect canvas from which Transwestern can help your business succeed in commercial real estate.
2016 was a big year for new construction and redevelopment in downtown Minneapolis. For the first time in 15 years, we saw new multi-tenant construction, with Hines building T3 in the North Loop, then Ryan Companies coming out of the ground with Millwright. Some of the significant deals were the sale of 33 South 6, which sold for the highest price ever paid for an office building in downtown Minneapolis' history. Also, Select Comfort signing a lease for 211,000 square feet in a building that we at Transwestern represent. This is the largest tenant to move downtown in over a quarter century. Downtown St. Paul led the market in absorption in 2016. It's a bit misleading because of a few corporate headquarter moves that happened, namely Ecolab, Travelers, and Pioneer Press. The space that they moved into has been counted, but the space that they've moved out of hasn't been. So it looks like there was all this growth in downtown St. Paul, but that was really more of just trading spaces. New construction, redevelopment, and demand for cool, quality space has pushed rates to an all-time high. We've crossed the 20 net barrier and have seen rents increase in some cases 30% from where they were a year ago. Looking forward into 2017, we expect to see continued suburban to urban migration. It's really only been the most progressive companies that have made that move. Organizations looking for really unique statement space to reflect their brand and culture, as well as amenities to help them attract and retain top talent. The trend is not developing, it's redeveloping on a massive scale.
In 2017, Transwestern is going to be about setting new trends and pushing those trends, not catching up with trends. I couldn't be more proud of the team that we've built here, and I think they're the best of the best.
of an entrepreneur.
Fortune 500 countries with
to preserve the. Start over again.
Yeah, right, yeah.
The one gray in there that is out of place.
So,
Seems like a tongue twister.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Bada bing, bada boom.